Hello guys, and today I would like to teach you some more math. So yeah, this is a new channel, but I hope we can get this through. But today we'll be learning about exponents. Okay, what are exponents? They're just like multiplication, but just a little different. Multiplication is just repeated addition. So example, 4 times 3 is 12. It's just you adding 4 3 times. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 12. That's how exponents are. Just a little different. Exponents are just slightly different because they are not adding, but they multiply each other. So the number 4 on the bottom is called the base. And the top number, which is written smaller, is called the power or the index. There are several names for it, but I'm not going to go through all of the names in this video. So it's just the power just tells you how many times you multiply the base. So the base is just the number you multiply by itself. So if it's 5 by 2, you would multiply 5 2 times. So 5 times 5 equals 25. So 25 would be your answer. But if it was 5 to the power of 4, you would do 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Exponents also have names. So when you do a equation for an exponent, 5 to the power of 4 is when you call the power of. Since the top number, which is smaller, is called the power, you say 5 to the power of whatever the number it is. So, example, you have 4 by 7. So you'd have to do 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 times 4 and times 4. That is a lot of numbers, right? But exponents can be really hard, but also easy at the same time. Some exponents can be 1 to the power of 1 or 0 to the power of 0. But the harder ones could be 1 trillion to the power of 1 trillion, which would be a bigger number. It would be at least a gazillion, so bigger than that or so. So in fact, there are 2 types of exponents that are so commonly used. 2. So if you do 5 to the power of 2, that would be called 5 squared. The number 2 is usually called square or squared for the other option. But the number 3 is usually called cubed. So you say 5 to the power of 3. Or you could also say 5 cubed. It's another easier way to say 5 to the power of 3. Instead of saying the longer version, you could just go for the shorter version. So I hope you know more about exponents, and I'll see you guys later.